Hello and welcome to my kitchen. Today I will be preparing a North Indian style Rajma Masala. Rajma is basically a red kidney bean which is cooked with Indian spices. So let's go check out the ingredients what I will need to prepare Rajma Masala. Here I have 3 cups of cooked red kidney beans. I have soaked it overnight and I have pressure cooked it. You can always use the canned red kidney beans too. Here I have 1 cup of grated onions, 1 cup of tomato puree, 2 teaspoons of green chili garlic ginger paste, cilantro, coriander leaves for garnishing at the end. I am using around 1.5 tablespoons of Rajma Masala, which I have bought it from the store. You can always use this or you can skip this masala too, but it tastes great when you use this masala. I'm going to use around half a teaspoon of asafoetida, around 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, around 2 teaspoons of coriander and cumin seed powder, and I'm going to use around 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and few bay leaves. I have added 2 tablespoons of oil and 1 teaspoon of ghee, and to that I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of jeera, that is cumin seed, and at this point I'm going to add around half a teaspoon of hing, few bay leaves, and onions now. Along with the onions, I'm going to put my ginger garlic green chili paste here, and I'm going to cook it further till the raw flavor goes away. So I have been sauteing this for at least 12 to 15 minutes on medium heat. It should be like this, little brown in color, and I could see little oil separating through this too. Now I'm going to add around 1 teaspoon of cumin and coriander seed powder, around 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, and 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. And I'm going to give a quick mix here, and I'm going to add the tomato puree now and let it cook further. I'm going to add the Rajma Masala here. I'm going to add at least 1 tablespoon and save a little bit for later. And I'm going to cook it further, but I'm going to put the lid on so that the tomato puree doesn't splash all over. Earlier I forgot to mention about salt, so now I'm going to add salt, around 2 teaspoons here. So now the tomato puree is cooked, so I'm going to add the Rajma here, the kidney beans. And I'm going to save a little bit here. I'm going to mash it so my gravy becomes thick. I'm going to add the mashed Rajma here. Give it a good mix. Now I'm going to add at least 2 cups of water in this. You can always adjust to your consistency too. So I'm going to add the rest of the Rajma Masala here. So the Rajma is coming to a boil, so I'm going to add cilantro, the coriander leaves here, and I'm going to boil it for another 5 more minutes and it will be ready to serve. The Rajma Masala is ready. I'm going to serve it over the rice. Let me give a taste test. I love it all over my rice here. It tastes so good. Please do try this recipe. If you enjoyed watching today's video, then please like, share, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you won't miss any of my uploads. Thank you for watching. See you soon with another next recipe.